Hello all, welcome to NKR Academy. I am Cyan, and in this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to install Let's Encrypt SSL Certificate on WordPress using SiteGround CPanel application. To briefly introduce myself, we run a digital marketing agency where we provide web design services to clients across the globe. We use SiteGround as preferred web hosting service for all our clients for its reliability, availability, backup services, and amazing customer support. I will be showing you how to install SSL Certificate on WordPress using SiteGround CPanel application. However, you can use this on any web hosting as the CPanel application is similar in all popular web hosts. We do strongly recommend SiteGround as SiteGround is WordPress preferred web hosting partner. We strongly recommend you watch this video till the end, as we will be revealing our amazing bonuses worth $750 if you happens to pick up SiteGround using our link.
Okay, so here is the latest installation of WordPress that we have done in the hosting that we had purchased from SiteGround. Okay, so as you can see here, it is coming as not secure. So as I have already told, in this age of cyber security and cyber threat, you need your site to be protected both for your purpose and also for legal purposes as well. So also Google SEO currently doesn't rank you if you don't have a SSL certificate valid. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can install Let's Encrypt SSL Certificate absolutely for free in your SiteGround hosting. Okay. So for that, you need to log in into your SiteGround user account like I have done here. Once on login, you will see this screen. On this screen, you come to My Account. Okay, within the My Account, you go to Control Panel. Okay, within Control Panel, now you need to browse a little downwards. Okay, scroll downwards, and until and unless you see this security one. Okay, within this security, you can see here there is a Let's Encrypt with a lock sign on. Okay, click on this. Okay, on click, you can find the SSL certificate that are already in action. You can see all of these are active as of now. And I will just show you how to include SSL certificate in a installation that doesn't currently have a SSL certificate. So as you can see, it is sitegroundtutorial.nkracademy.com, which is not covered in SSL. Okay, so I will try to find it out right here. Okay, here you can see this sitegroundtutorial.nkracademy.com. Okay, Let's Encrypt SSL install. Okay, the Let's Encrypt SSL certificate has been successfully installed into your subdomain, right? So guys, it's that easy. You just need to follow this simple step. Okay, so you need to after doing this, you need to go to the SSL TLS manager. Within that, you need to see the manage SSL sites. Okay. Okay, next you need to come into the site that you are trying to do. This is the one, right? SiteGround tutorial, right? So you can see the certificate detail. Issuer Let's Encrypt. Okay, it has been already done, right? Okay, so friends, until now I have shown you how to install SSL, but if you can see that if I type this particular address in any new browser, okay, like this, what will happen? It is still coming as not secure. Why? Because by default this is HTTP, right? So when actually I will be trying to, if you can see that my certificate is installed, I am showing that if I write HTTPS and then hit enter, then this log sign is coming, right? But you can't force everyone to write HTTPS, and that's not advisable as well, because people only write this URL and by default it will be HTTP, right? So what we need to do is that we need to follow one simple step here, one more simple step, so that we can enforce security no matter whatever the user types. Means he or she can type HTTP or HTTPS, doesn't matter. The site will always open with a SSL connection. For that I need to log in to the admin section of this site. Okay, just let me log in with this admin credentials. Okay, so once I log in, I will go to plugins, I will go to add new. You can follow me, right? Plugins, add new. In this add new search section, you can search SSL. Okay. Upon searching on SSL, you can find this really simple SSL. Really simple SSL, I repeat, okay. You need to install this. So installed, it is getting installed. Once it gets installed, we need to activate this, okay. As you can see here, it is written that no setup required. You only need an SSL certificate, which we have got from SiteGround free of cost, right? And this plugin will do the rest, okay. So let us activate this plugin. Plugin is getting activated. Yeah, fine. The plugin has been activated. Okay. So now we will come to settings. Within settings, we can see here a SSL tab has been generated. So I will click on the SSL. Upon clicking on the SSL, you can see that SSL is not enabled yet, but an SSL certificate has been detected on your site, right? So we need to go ahead and activate SSL. Okay, the SSL is enabled on your site and SSL was detected on your site. Okay, now I will type this and hit enter, and this is coming not secure because the cookie has not been deleted. So just go in here, go to settings of Chrome. Within settings of Chrome, you need to go to clear browsing data. And from browsing data, you need to delete the cookies and cache files. Okay, just clearing the data. New tab. Okay, you can restart Chrome for a better understanding. So I will restart Chrome all over again. So yeah, now I have restarted Chrome. Now I'll hit SiteGround. Yeah, right, there you are, right? So you can see before clearing the cookies, it was coming not secure because at that time I had not enabled that plugin, the really simple SSL plugin. Now once I had deleted the cookies so that it refreshes automatically, now you can see it's HTTPS, and by this way I can force this site to use HTTPS whenever this site is called for. No matter whatever you type, it will be HTTPS. Suppose I am typing directly HTTP, sorry, not S, HTTP SiteGround NKRACADEMY.com, and you can see it's still coming as encrypted because in the hindsight it's still HTTPS. So this is the way we can force a WordPress website to use SSL certificate no matter whatever the user types in. So guys, this is a really simple hack that you can use to convert your not secure site to a HTTPS site so that it gets ranked on Google. Users can trust your site more They can even transact on your site without worrying about their details being decrypted somewhere. So it really adds a value to your site. It really adds you above the competition, and it really helps you to gain more confidence of the users. With this hack, I'm sure you are definitely going to grow your business to the next level. For more such technical tips and tricks, do join us with our site and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so that you receive all these notifications at the first go, so that before your competitor is aware, you are aware of whatever is happening in the technical side, right? So we'll be coming back with another few tips and tricks. Until then, bye bye. Keep your site safe. Enable the SSL right now. Thanks.
So, I just hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to get similar tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will also be giving you free bonuses worth $750 if you do decide to purchase SiteGround web hosting using the link provided in the description of this video. As a bonus for picking up SiteGround through the link provided in the description of the video, I will give you bonus number 1: access to Astra Pro WordPress theme. This is world's #1 professional WordPress theme, and you will get free access to Astra Pro as a bonus. Bonus number 2: access to Elementor Pro WordPress Page Builder plugin. This is world's #1 professional WordPress page builder plugin, and you will get free access to Elementor Pro as a bonus. Bonus number 3: access to Viddictive 2.0, which is a cloud-based SaaS app that helps you to create amazing video ads in any business niche like restaurants, lawyers, car dealers, any business you can imagine under the sun. Bonus number 4: access to VidElligence 2.0, which is a cloud-based SaaS app that helps you to create amazing videos for e-commerce. Bonus number 5: access to Storie 2.0, which is a cloud-based SaaS app that helps you to create amazing Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat story video. In order to get all these bonuses, just follow these simple steps. Step 1: get SiteGround using the link provided in the description of this video. Step 2: send your purchase receipt to NKRACADEMYWB@gmail.com. In case of any query, please comment below in the video.